Get out. Don't pull away. Get out. Get out. Come on.
Because I'm black?
No, it's because you have open container. Okay? Get out.
Show me the container.
Get out.
Show me the
Get
container.
out. Get out. Hey.
Literally, I'm not doing anything.
Step out. Okay.
On March 29th, 2024, at 3:17 a.m., an officer pulled over a driver for speeding at 50 miles per hour in a 30 miles per hour zone and running an expired registration. But the late-night stop quickly intensified when the officer spotted empty alcohol containers in the cabin.
Can you roll this one down? Does it not open?
You come outside.
No, I'm standing. I'm talking to you on this side. Can you roll this down all the way? Can you roll it down more for me, please, so I can talk to you?
Can you come this side?
No, okay, so Officer Kelly, I know the reason I stopped you for your speed and your tag's expired. Can you please roll the window down all the way?
How far is all the way?
All the way, like all the way down.
Sorry, I don't understand what all the way is.
All the way down.
Like to okay.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Can I have your license and proof of insurance
Yeah, no
from you?
problem.
Yeah, so Shales is a 30 right there, and so you're going 50, so you're 20 over, so a little bit fast, okay?
My pedometer is not reading correctly, so I don't know what it says. So
Okay,
I apologize if it doesn't read what you're reading is. So thank you for letting me aware.
Yeah.
Be aware. Okay.
Where are you headed to tonight?
Yes.
Do you have insurance in the car as well? All right, I appreciate it, thank you.
It's not here. Can I give you the email version?
Yeah, if you have it on your phone, that's fine.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
My home. So,
You're coming from home?
no, I came out and then my friend had a birthday party, and she had a situation, and then I went with her.
How much have you had to drink tonight? You're just not gonna answer, because you've got a couple empty shooters on the ground right there. It looks like 3 of them. You can't have 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't. So like I explained to people previously, I don't. There's multiple people that drive my car.
It's not. I mean, it's probably just not a good idea, even if someone else is drinking them in your car, to leave them there. Okay.
I got you. I understand it. I thank you for your concern.
Okay, I'm gonna run back to my car real quick. Just do me a favor, hang out here. I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay. Let me call my lawyer.
Oh, you know, I'm not gonna. You can. I'm not gonna have you.
No, I'm not saying.
Okay, hang out here. Hello.
Yes.
I'm just gonna see if you have your insurance for him.
1 second. Come on, look at it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Okay, yeah, come in, zoom in.
Zoom in? I don't. Are you asking me to zoom
No,
in?
I'm asking you anything. You're standing over me while I'm talking to my brother. Oh, I have my insurance. I gave you my insurance already.
You never showed me your insurance.
It's like 5 people that came over to my car already.
It's only me and the officer that stopped
Okay,
you.
thank you. Bro,
All I asked was for your insurance. That's it.
I have my insurance. I gave you my insurance card already.
No, you did not.
Apologies. My apologies.
No, you're fine. This is just.
No, I'm not saying anything. My brother's coming. He'll have the insurance, all this stuff for you, okay?
He has the insurance.
Yes, he has my insurance for the car, everything. He's like, we live 2 minutes away from him. He'll be here in 1 second.
Gotcha. Okay. I'm just concerned because I mean you told me that you showed it to me just now twice, but now you're saying that your brother has the insurance.
Yes, I did show the insurance card to the officer prior to you.
Okay. Was that one expired or something? Or
No, it wasn't expired.
Okay. Okay.
Was there something going on or what happened?
Oh, I don't know why he stopped you. To be honest with you.
Can you find out?
I just got you. He'll be out here in just a second.
Okay. You should find out before you just hover over people. Like his, like, they're stupid.
No, so typically, especially a night shift, we just have 2 officers when normally
Yeah.
we pull over a vehicle.
Any luck on the insurance?
No, she actually said that she gave it to you.
You never gave me the insurance. Did you have any luck pulling it up?
So I didn't give you your insurance?
You don't remember not giving me anything?
Don't worry, my brother's coming right now.
No. So what's gonna happen? I mean, if he's not gonna come to the traffic stop,
He's
so go ahead,
literally
hang up
coming
the
right
phone for me.
No, I'm not gonna hang up the phone.
Okay, so you're gonna get arrested for obstructing if you don't.
Let me talk to my lawyer.
Okay, so
I'll call my lawyer. Let me call my lawyer.
What I have you do is step out. No, step out.
Bro, you can't pull on my car? What the fuck you got? Bro, you can't pull on my car. I'm not gonna. No, you're not gonna pull on my car.
Step out.
Am I doing anything?
Step
No, I'm not
out.
bothering you.
Step
I'm
out.
not- I'm
Step
not
out of the
obstructing
vehicle.
anything. You're
Step out.
grabbing me.
Step out. Get
You're
out.
grabbing
Stop.
me.
You need to get
You're
out.
grabbing me.
You need to get out.
You're grabbing me for no
Stop.
reason.
Hey, don't turn the car on. Get out. Get out. Don't pull away. Get out. Come on.
Because I'm black?
No, it's because you have open container. Okay? Get out.
Show me the container.
Get out.
Show me the
Get
container.
out.
Show
Get
me
out.
the container.
Hey.
Literally, I'm not doing anything.
Step out. Okay, step out of the vehicle.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
No,
Get out.
do the.
Get the phone.
Say the.
The interaction completely collapsed into a physical arrest for obstruction after the driver refused to hang up her phone, step out of the car, or cooperate with commands, while repeatedly accusing the officers of racial profiling.
Bro.
Stop. Well,
Okay,
you're under
let's
arrest now.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Get out. Get out. Get out of the car.
Bro, let's redo it.
Get out here.
Cause you're not, cause I didn't do anything wrong against y'all.
Switch.
Like for real. And you know it.
Get out. Step
I ain't
out.
talking to y'all.
Step out.
No, for real. Like you know. I didn't do anything wrong against y'all.
Step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, just step out of the vehicle.
Pulling my arm.
Yeah, step
He's
out of the
pulling my.
Get there.
What? Tell me what I haven't done. You have to read my rights.
Get out of the car.
I haven't done anything wrong against y'all.
Get out.
Like,
Get out.
read my rights.
Get out of the car.
Read my fucking rights.
Out of the car.
Read my rights. Read my fucking rights.
Ma'am, just step out of the vehicle.
Did he read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle.
Did he read my rights?
Step out of
Did
the
he read my rights?
Step out of the vehicle.
No, did he read my rights? Yeah. Bro, did you read my rights? Okay, that's fine. I have a lawyer. Do what you gotta do.
All right. So you're under arrest for obstructing and resisting. Just ask you to step
Now
out.
you're reading my rights afterwards. You read my rights afterwards. According to my lawyer, you read my rights afterwards.
Here, put
You
your knees
read
up.
my rights
Put your knees up.
afterwards.
Stand up.
knees up.
You read my rights afterwards. You read my
Stand up.
rights afterwards. You read my rights.
You're okay.
That's all that matters.
Sit her out.
No. You read my rights
We're gonna
after.
stand up. Alrighty. Let's
They read my rights. You know me.
What's going on? What happened?
I'm saying they read my rights after. It's not okay.
Go talk about the police department.
You want me to search you?
Please, yeah.
You gotta search me. Search me.
What happened to me?
Search me. They read my rights after.
What do you mean?
It's okay. I'm gonna talk to my lawyer. No, it's cool. They read my rights afterwards. It's cool.
Okay. We'll talk about the police department then, okay? Then you can talk to your lawyer about it all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you to the jail.
Why would you do that to me? Like, that's so sad. Like, for everybody. And y'all, I'm being nice to everybody. I'm being cool with everybody. And y'all doing this. No. I'm not taking off shit in the car. Until y'all understand.
You're in custody right now. Okay? So whatever happened.
What I gotta say?
Whatever.
What y'all wanna do, right?
Watch your head, okay?
No, I'm not. Can y'all wait till my brother come here? I don't. No.
This is his car, so you're gonna be fine.
I don't want to get in the car until I have a relative or somebody that I know. This car.
It's my car. This is my police
The
car.
one that. Bro. Okay.
Remember?
Why don't you just get in the car for us? We'll sort it all out later, okay? That might be her brother that she called.
Yeah, she called.
Bro. I'm talking to my brother because he knows. Okay, you ain't got a master. You got I fucking master. Who got a master's? You got a master? You got a fucking bachelor's degree? Who got a bachelor's? I'm just saying.
Yeah, you're gonna catch another charge.
No, because you're trying to be like aggressive. How put your point?
You're pushing us.
Because you're pushing me.
I'm not. I'm holding you here. I didn't
Bro,
push you.
I didn't do shit to you. My fucking family died. Bro, I'm trying to go to
push this
I have a
like you don't.
funeral. You're fucking being bullshit. And I'm being cool with y'all for real.
Stop
Like for
pushing.
real. Like for real. For real.
Okay, get in the car, please.
And I haven't been on any other shit.
No one else has like a double cage, right?
As a white woman.
Take a seat.
Bro.
You have a double?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bring that over.
Yeah.
Are you good? Are you gonna go in the car?
Yeah, let me talk to my brother. That's all.
You can talk to him once you're in the car.
Nope. I want somebody.
Okay, well then that's...
Wait a second. Wait. I'm sorry. Like real talk. Are the kids good? Bro, are my kids good?
Put her feet up.
Oh, I feel so good. The black girls are trapped in the back of the car. Oh, I feel so happy. Yeah. My wrist is hurting. Can you unleash me, please?
Nope.
Why?
You're under arrest.
Why for what?
Following the arrest on March 29, 2024, the driver was transported to the local holding facility for formal booking and blood alcohol testing. Her early morning accusations of bias and harassment were thoroughly documented alongside the officer's on-scene findings, which included the initial radar reading of 50 miles per hour in a 30-mile-per-hour zone and the clear sight of empty alcohol containers inside the passenger cabin. In court, the body camera footage proved central to the state's case, showcasing the officer's repeated, calm instructions for the driver to hand over her insurance, hang up her phone, and eventually step out of the vehicle. The judge noted that the expired registration and speeding provided an absolute legal foundation for the stop, while her persistent noncompliance directly led to her physical extraction. Ultimately, the suspect faced a comprehensive list of formal charges, including driving under the influence, resisting and obstructing a peace officer, illegal transportation of alcohol, operating an uninsured vehicle, and speeding. She was ordered to pay steep court fees, complete a mandatory DUI curriculum, and her driver's license was suspended. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.